good.
Okay, so if you are using the Ultimakers, you have a Ultimaker 2 Plus here and an Ultimaker 2 Extended Plus here. If you're using them instead of the Prusa, there's a slightly different way of setting them up. So once you have put your SD card in, this is your SD card here, this is the slot, it goes in facing up like that. And do make sure your bed is clear. This is a glass bed instead of the other one, and it just removes with these pins here. It's ideal not to take it out, but if you do have to take it out, it just comes out like that, okay, and you can try and take your print off. Once you're done, you can just place it back in there like that, and then click back in. Okay, so put your SD card in, and then just very simply, it is just this wheel turns around, okay, and you can go to print, and it will read the card, and you can go down to your part that you're wanting to print and just click, and then this will override. If there's anything like that, you can just press continue. Now you can see it's starting to heat up the bed here. All right, you can always tune and you can always pause whatever you are doing. All right, so you can always do something like that or pause, and that will stop it. All right, I will tune, and you can see there's an abort, there's a speed, temperature. You shouldn't need to deal with any of these things apart from maybe the abort button, and you can see there we've just aborted it. All right, and now it's starting to cool down. All right, if you do want to preheat the machine beforehand, you just go to maintenance. All right, you can go round to advanced. All right, and you can see the settings here. So we're going to heat up the build plate, and here we would heat up the build plate using the turn wheel here, and we can rotate that up to about 60 degrees for the build plate. And then you can also heat up the nozzle one up, okay, and the nozzle might go up to about 200 degrees when we use PLA. Those settings for using PLA, which is what we tend to use mainly here. All right, and then you can click. Now that is heating it up before you use it, and then obviously you can go back and you can return again, and then you can go back to your print, and once it's heated up, you can then select whatever it is that you want to do, and you can go file. Okay, fantastic.